manufacturing for me?
Of course it is. Let's go talk to them.
My favorite thing about G.W. Becker is the family atmosphere.
People?
The people I work with.
Number one, it's the people that I work with.
It just feels like a family.
I'm creative. Is manufacturing for me?
Of course it is.
Hi, I'm DJ Umbach. I'm the engineering manager here at GW Becker. My favorite thing about working here is being able to design cranes.
Yes.
I really like machines. Is manufacturing for me?
Of course it is. Let's go talk to the machinist.
Okay, so my name's Clark. I work here at GW Becker for, I don't know, it's been 4 to 5 years now. And it never, ever ceases to learn. Every day's a new adventure.
I like doing new things every day. Is manufacturing for me?
Of course it is.
Hi, my name's Ashley Foster. I'm the marketing manager here at GW Becker Incorporated. My favorite thing about working at GW Becker is that I get to work on new projects every single day. I'm never just working on the same thing, so my day-to-day changes a lot, and it's one of my favorites.
I like being in charge. Is manufacturing for me?
Of course it
Chris
is.
Becker, owner and president of GW Becker Incorporated. My father, who's still involved, started the company 45 years ago. It was just his entrepreneurial spirit and his dream to start the company, and he just started out servicing a few customers, and it's grown into this.